doing a few tiny tidies around the house.
Hi, I'm Sharon and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you could join me here. And Buddy's come to join us too because he thinks I'm going to bed. And he thinks he should go to bed too, don't you? Okay, on the bed you go. He loves to go to bed, that dog. Anyhow, it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I'd like to remind you to watch all the other Tiny Tidiers. They will be in my comment box down below. There'll be a list of all the Tiny Tidiers, and we've had lots of Tiny Tidiers lately. It's been great. And you get lots and lots of motivation of just tiny tidy things that you can do around the house. And I have some black socks here. Oh, those ones actually go together. That I find hard to find the mates to because they're all black. Oh, these ones go together. Oh, I'm lucking out. Those ones go together too. Oh, and I think these two are the same. So yay me. I guess I just had to get in the right light. And then I got these all done too. Perfect. These go together too. So that wasn't as hard as I thought, but I think the light's better than when I was trying to do it maybe at night. Okay, so that's done. Oh, there's my baby. There's my baby laying on the bed. So let's just put these socks away in the drawer. Perfect. Okay, now we'll carry on.
Well, I have this table runner that I thrifted, and it's going to go on my kitchen table, but it certainly needed to be pressed. So I took a minute and I pressed it as one of my tiny tidies for today. I'm really enjoying my ironing board that I got for Christmas. I even pressed a few shirts, which was wonderful to go to my closet and have them all pressed and looking great. I find ironing is quite relaxing. I like the smell, and I just like the motion and watching the wrinkles disappear. I know, I'm a little strange that way. I used to iron for one of my mom's friends when I was a teenager, and I quite enjoyed that job. Anyhow, we'll get this little cloth done, and it is for my kitchen table.
Okay, I like this little table runner because it has embroidered all around the linen in the white and yellow. And I thought it would look pretty on my table. So I'm going to put it there. Old-fashioned, but kind of cute. My kitchen's kind of old-fashioned. So let's put it here. And of course, that was thrifted. This is thrifted, this is thrifted, and this is thrifted. This black line on my wall. And it's from the table, I think. Oh, it's taking it off a bit. Might have to scrub for a while, so let's scrub it. See what we can do. Okay, it does take it off. You just have to scrub over and over and over. You don't have to scrub hard, you just have to keep going over and over it. And then it does take it away. So, like I said, it might take me a while, but it would be nice to have that black line off my wall. I think it's been there a while. as long as my arm doesn't get tired. But it does take it off. I said I just have to keep scrubbing. Going over and over and over. Okay, it's all off. I'm very, very happy. That mark came off great. I'm so happy that's gone.
Well, I'm cutting up this paper bag, because I want to try and make something that will catch the soil so it doesn't get all over my kitchen that I just cleaned up so nice a few minutes ago. And I thought if I cut this paper bag open, I could put the the plant and the potting soil and everything on it, and maybe it would catch a lot of the dirt. So now I'm just opening the potting soil. And the potting soil is really nice. It's even kind of damp, so that's exciting. Like I say, this poor spider plant has been waiting and waiting to be transplanted from a little tiny pot to a big pot. So let's watch the procedure.
This plant is very root bound. It's going to love its new home. So, it's got a fairly big hole in the bottom. Well, I don't think I'll worry about it. Pretty sure I have a plate to put under it. But I'm going to put some dirt in. Okay. Put that in the center. I'm just going to put dirt all around. Try not to make too big a mess. Tuck that in there good. There's no air pockets. Soil in the bag is actually nice and moist, which is nice. Okay, that is good. I'm just gonna rinse my hands. And I'm gonna bring my pot. Bring this pot over here. Okay, bring the pot here. And I'm going to put the banana water on it. I'm going to water it in with the banana water. And it was pretty, whoa, it was pretty dry. Didn't do that right, did I? Oh, there it goes. You gotta water it slowly. Gotta water it slowly. You don't have all the dirt coming out. That's better. There we go. That's nice. I'm gonna give it a good drink because the root ball was very dry. This plant is going to love the bigger pot. Okay, I'm just going to let that sit there And see all the little babies it's got? That's so nice. Anyhow, it's going to love the bigger pot. Okay, over here, because now I gotta tidy up this mess. Oh, there's always a mess. That pot I'll save. I don't wanna. Okay, let's see if my idea works. I guess it's okay. I don't know if you'll be able to see anything. Let me try. Oops. These would be better with a smaller bag. Oh well. That goes in the garbage. That was a loud noise. Okay, let's take a piece of paper towel. Let's dry it. I can put this outside. This dirt up. Okay, let's get the dirt off the counter. I should get. No, I don't have my plants. Okay. Get this into my hand and I'll put it back in the bag. And I'm going to spray this. More paper towel and wipe it off. There we go. Clean up the mess. Gonna keep that. And keep this piece of paper towel to wipe around the pot. Okay. Gonna get a broom and sweep that up. Okay, B2. Clean the pot off before I put it in the living room. Wipe it around the edges. Oops. Oops, got the baby tangled up in there. Oh, my puppy wants out. What else? What else is new, eh? Puppy dog wants out. Okay, let's Let's wipe most of the dirt out. Don't want it going down the drain. There we go. And a couple more down in here. I can wipe out. Okay, there we go. Yeah. That's good. Paper towel. It's all nice and clean again. And this is where the plant lives, in the living room by a nice bright window. Tidy for this Tuesday, and I hope you enjoyed all the little things that I tidied, and we'll see ya. Thank you, Sunday Dawn, for hosting the Tiny Tidy. Don't forget to watch the playlist. It's in my comment section. Just click on the blue writing and then all the Tiny Tidies will come up. I look forward to watching them every week. And I'm so happy I got that plant finally transplanted. Okay, we'll see you in my next video, which is Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye.